Where to find the cleaner for your file manager for files, basically to clear any cache files or obsolete files. This is the Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with Android 14 Hyper OS or any other Redmi Note 13 phone models. In order to do this, if you really just want to do it for the files itself, you'll go ahead and look for the file manager right there, this icon here. And when you tap on it, it's going to take you to this section here where you can view every single file you have on your device itself. And to the top right, you'll see these three dots right here. You'll tap on that one time and you're going to see the cleanup option. Okay, so once you see that and you tap on it, it's going to go ahead and run this for you, and it's going to kind of give you an idea of what you got here. And it's going to show you all this here and basically tell you the amount of trash size here. And you could use this little drop down arrows here so that you can get an idea of what is it that it's really clearing out. And if you want to go in and probably maybe uncheck something that you don't want it removing, you can go ahead and uncheck them. Okay, so like maybe I got something here, and then same thing with the other options like obsolete files, packages, all those other things that may have appeared there. Okay, and then you just go with the cleanup, and it's going to say it's cleaning, and it's going to tell you that it's finished cleaning and all that stuff. Okay, there is also the deep clean for the bigger files and duplicate files here. If you want to go into that there, you go to clean now. It's going to show you all that stuff here like and sub.